Hi everyone, this is Mehnaz and the channel is Farsi Slang Zone. For today, I have, as usual, two slang terms for you. The first one is گلدون کردن and the second one is ایستگاه کردن. گلدون کردن literally is like to make a flower pot of someone. If we want to explain it, it can be said something like to throw away someone as an old flower pot that is no longer useful. When you say that گلدون کردن کسی, it means that you have discarded, dismissed someone or abandoned or ignored someone. So, گلدون کردن is used in such situations. But for clarifying the point, I can give you some examples. Like, انقدر بهش بی‌محلی کرد که فهمید گلدونش کردن و ارتباطشون دیگه قطع شد. It means that the person was ignored so much that he got that they don't want to be in relationship with him or her. And this گلدون کردن has a negative meaning and is used in negative situations. گلدون کردن آدما کار خوبی نیست. If you want to cut with the person, it's better you tell them, not treating them in a way that they got it themselves. So, گلدون کردن is used when you want to dismiss, to ignore, or abandon someone in a way that you cut suddenly and you want to say indirectly that you don't want to have a relationship with them. And گلدون کردن is just used for people, not for things or objects. Okay, I hope that you never do it. I mean, هیچ وقت کسی رو گلدون نکنید. I want to say that, as I told you, if you want to cut with someone, please tell them. گلدون کردن is not a good way. The second slang idiom of today is ایستگاه کردن. ایستگاه کردن translates to a station, to park. But this colloquial Persian expression is translated to trick, to fool, to deceive someone. When we use this phrase, we want to say that someone has been misled or disappointed from someone else's actions or promises. If I want to clarify the point for you, I prefer to give you some examples. I think that the examples can explain better. رفتم ماشین دست دوم بخرم، فروشنده ماشین گفت خیلی ماشین خوب و با کیفیتیه. منم ماشین رو خریدم، اما بعدش مجبور شدم کلی براش خرج کنم. نهایتاً فهمیدم فروشنده ایسکام کرده بود. In this way, the seller has fooled the buyer. The other one. موقعی که میخواستیم امتحان بدیم، استاد گفتش که بچه‌ها نگران نباشین، سوالا خیلی راحته و همه به خوبی میتونید امتحان رو پاس کنید. اما بعد از امتحان فهمیدیم که استاد هممون رو ایستگاه کرده بود. We want to say that the professor had fooled all of his students. The other one. میخواستم با یکی از دوستام شطرنج بازی کنم، گفت من بلد نیستم. وقتی شروع کردیم به بازی، خیلی سریع و حرفه‌ای بازی رو برنده شد. و من بهش گفتم خوب ایسکام کرده بودی. You want to say that your friend has deceived you. And well, these are two other slang terms that I explained to you for today. I hope you can use them. Well, we can call it a day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support me. Tap the bell, press like, comment section below to share what you have in your mind with me. Thanks again, and I hope to see you. Bye bye.